Hello masters, today we are going to discuss about the third subconcept, that is coincidence. So what is a coincidence? Any unplanned event that happens is considered as a coincidence. So let's understand a bit on a belief system and how it is formed, and what is a good sign, what is a bad sign. So let's take an example of a not a good sign. So our elders believe that a cat crossing a road is not a good sign. So if anyone is going outside, if we come across a cat crossing the road, then we were asked to come back inside home, sit and drink a glass of water and then go. So that's how this cat belief system is formed. In spirituality, in same way, we have signals coming from nature. When we meditate and we start imbibing the knowledge with good intention, we will start receiving support and messages from mineral, plant, animal kingdom and the five elements of the nature, my dear friends. But we as humans, we underestimate them and keep the signals aside. However, they are more intellectual. They are available all the time to support. But before that, we need to become eligible to understand, and they will start supporting us in completing the project whichever we have taken up. So once we become more aware by doing meditation, we shall start understanding the signs these objects are sending us. Then we will see how beautifully the mind gets transformed. So this way we will be able to take the knowledge and apply them to tackle the problems so beautifully and so easily, my dear friends. Let's take a couple of examples to understand. So when we go on our work, a lorry come our way. Due to this, we'll get stuck in a traffic. Once we cross this traffic, we will come across another railway signal. Further, we will be delayed. We'll start thinking because of first lorry has come and again signal has come. For sure delayed for the meeting, the appointment, and it's going to be cancelled or it postponed for some other day. So once we reach the destination and we talk to the people who are waiting for us there, they say that it's good you did not come on time because there was a disturbing event happened and that responsible person was sent just now. Then he realizes that, oh my god, so whatever has happened was for good, but I was blaming all these things. So my dear friends, when we are in a process of working on a goal, we come across unfavorable situations, adversities. But when we start thinking positively, act positively in all those adversities, at them as opportunities and learning from them, all the signals which we keep getting repeatedly, if we understand them with this knowledge, they will help us in resolving the problems at the earliest, my dear friends. So let's take another example. Like sometimes when we go out and on some work and then it starts raining, the first thought which comes to our mind is that the work is delayed and we start blaming the situation. Instead, if we enjoy that present moment of rain and be in a blissful state until the rain subsides, and then we'll continue with our work, the results will be much more productive, my dear friends. So never blame the present situation, because what's happening here is we are missing the signals which nature is trying to send us. During this waiting period, we can talk to the people who was around us, assuming them as God, as if we were having a conversation with a god. So nature may give us a knowledge which will help us in the work which we are about to do. So such incidents are called as a coincidences, my dear friends. So any unplanned situation which is trying to teach us, living or non-living thing, objects such as fan, table, chair, audio system, all these are part of consciousness, my dear friends. Even though they don't have thinking ability and wisdom, but they are part of consciousness. So it's very important to acquire knowledge from plant, mineral, animal kingdom, because nature is sending us the positive signals through which we will be able to solve the problem by going in a positive direction. So with this, Pallavi signing off. Thank you. Bye-bye.